Hey everybody, your girl is back with another DIY video. So the last three videos that I posted with the DIY have been a little elaborate, like a lot of physical labor, probably on the higher end for price scale for DIYs. But again, it depends on how large your project is, how large the space is, your materials, all that fun stuff. So I decided to challenge myself with a budgeted DIY. So I mentioned in the last video that I wanted to do a solar power water fountain. And if you haven't noticed, water fountains with like amazing water features can be a little expensive. So I'm going to try to do a budgeted DIY, and we're going to try to stick to under 40 bucks. Under 40 bucks for getting all the materials for this DIY. So I'm trying to figure out 100% on where I'm going to put it. I have two spots in mind. I showed you guys that in the last video. It's either going to be behind the patio sofa area, or it's going to be in the walkway area or beside the walkway area. I'm not 100% sure, but we're about to go get some stuff and we're about to start this DIY. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm liking this one. Now, the ones out there were ceramic. These are plastic. I'm liking the size of this one, but furthermore, I can already see the vision with this one. I honestly wish, I'm also kind of liking this one too. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm kind of liking that one as well. I'm gonna have to get hubby's thoughts on it, but I wish they had this size. I wish they had this size in a different color. And it's pushing the top of our budget, so probably not. But this one isn't. This one is not. It gets more modern, chic. Something is pulling me towards this one. Don't know why. I don't know which one I'm gonna get, but let me know in the comments before even going further. Let me know in the comments which ones did you guys like more. The more modern feel, or the more farm house kind of vibe. Which one? Or if there's another one on here that you think is pretty nice. This one here, I don't know which, I think the brown in this, the light brown of it is throwing me off. It kind of looks like a lampshade. But I'm leaning towards this one here. So, and it's within our budget. It's $17.48. I think we may have found the winner. spent about 22, what is it? 22, like 22.48, was that it? Go there quickly, because I grabbed one more thing. So we spent about 22.48, 23, and we said plus the 11, so right now we're at 34, and so we had a $40 budget, and there's one more thing I have to get, which is the rocks that go inside it. I think we're doing pretty good. I think so. The question is how are you going to take us to Home Depot?
No.
The camera, cut the camera. Okay, you guys, we just saw these, and these were the rocks I really wanted. They are like these, and it does take me over budget. Look, this is I'm pulling the wild card. We have to do this one, but it only takes me like $5 over. Am I breaking the rule? Let me know in the comment section. Did I break the rule? I felt the challenge. I went $5 over. Let me explain to you the logic behind it, okay? So I wanted those rocks to begin with. I already had the vision of those rocks being involved in the fountain process. Now, this fountain that we're gonna put together is still significantly cheaper than any fountain you will see online. So I had to think about it. Do I get the $6 bag or pay the additional $6 and get the rocks that I actually wanted? Because then if I would have got the rocks that I didn't want, I would end up spending more money anyways. So I would be like you know how that feeling, like you're like, all right, trying to save, and then you get something. I talk about this in my DIY vanity makeover about what makes sense. It's $6 extra, you know, you get what you want, and you don't have to worry about, you know, being upset that you didn't get it, and then you end up going out and getting it, and then you spend more money. This is the rationale. This is the rationale. But what is it? $46 budgeted project. We're buying no more. We got everything. We're gonna put it all together, and yeah, we're going on this journey together. But I think it's gonna turn out great. Okay, so the solar powered water fountain feature, like the little spout just came in, and I was utterly surprised. So it came in a parcel, like the package, the Amazon packaging, that wasn't that big. So I was questioning, like what did I did I order something different or whatever? And I opened it up, and I have not yet opened it because I wanted to open it with you guys, but I'd rather it be I'd rather it be smaller and be a little bit more just invisible to the eye and not just very blatant obvious that it's there. So we're gonna see what it all comes with, but I'm kind of curious because the little solar power panel that gives power to the actual sprout is in here as well. So I'm just safely assuming that it's about the size of this package. So it makes it a little bit more discreet. I don't know, but let's see what's in this package. So this is the box that it came in, the solar fountain pump. It is, just to kind of give you an idea of how big, I actually have a Bath & Body Works candle here. I'm going to use this just to show you the size of it. It's not too big. Okay, and then here's the side of it, the back of it, and the other side of it. It's just gonna go ahead and open it up, just trying to show you guys what's in here. I have not seen what was in here at all, so this is my first time seeing it right along with you. Okay, so here are the little nozzles. This controls the way the water comes out. Here is, okay, nice. So here is the actual pump itself, and then here is the solar powered panel. Okay. One, I'm interested to see how this is going to come out. It also comes with a little suction cups at the bottom so that it can remain in place. I'm very interested to see how this turns out, but let's open up the nozzles really quickly. And these are very tiny. Okay, here's one. Trying to get to focus a little bit. One actually just fell. That's the small one. Here's another one. Spreads out the water a little bit more. So I'm looking at, it's more so like the frequent, like the whole sizes and the way it comes out. Oh, that's pretty neat. That one. Then also have this one here. So I like that it gives you a variety of options on how the water can come out. And there's a little one. And one actually fell on the ground. And this. And this just determines how the water will spit out. But I think for what comes with it, we have not tested it out yet, but for what comes with it, I think that this is some pretty good stuff. I think it's pretty neat. So we're going to go ahead and put everything together. We're going to see how it turns out. But this is everything that comes with this little package here. It was found on Amazon. I will also put it in the description below. But this is everything that comes with it in this little package. So let's see how this works.